The Lexus RX mixture posts great gas mileage evaluations, while the RX 350 is focused in its class. We give the RX lineup a 6 for green, with the proviso that half and halves perform much preferred here over gas-fueled RX hybrids. Read more about how we rate autos this year. The RX 450 hours crossover gathers EPA appraisals of 31 miles per gallon city, 28 parkway, 30 joined with its standard all-wheel drive framework. Front drive RX 350 SUVs check in at 20/27 23 of a mile per gallon with front wheel drive Oregon 19/26/22 MPG with discretionary all-wheel drive. Deciding on the long wheelbase rendition, in any setup, cuts 1 mile per gallon no matter how you look at it. Lexus programs an economy drive mode into the two models. It eliminates atmosphere control and modifies throttle reaction. Indeed, even without economy mode's connected fault width, we've seen high true mileage and RX half and halves, gave its driven some limitation. The RX 350's 3.5-liter V6 hands over 295 pull and 267 pound-feet of torque, and keeps running on a lean burning cycle to help efficiency. The 8-speed program accompanies paddle move controls on F-Sport models. It's not the speediest extravagance utility vehicle, but rather the RX 350 moves with expert, and does as such unobtrusively, unless it's a F-Sport. Lexus pumps consumption commotion into F-Sport cockpits for a solid impact, however to us it's still about quiet. Both the RX 350 and RX 450 hours have a drive mode selector that changes powertrain execution through normal, eco, and sport modes. F-Sport forms get extra customized, Sport S, and Sport S Plus modes. Front drive models set down power easily. All-wheel drive models can part up to 50% of their energy to the back wheels, for all climate safety, not by any means for stopping endlessly at sloppy grooves. With the RX 450 hours, Lexus takes a lower yield adaptation of a similar V6 and mixes its 259 horsepower and 247 pounds-foot of torque with batteries and electric engines. Gas control goes to the front wheels, and electric power goes to the back, which permits the RX crossbreed to dispatch on battery control alone. It sounds energetic, however even in F-Sport trim the RX 450 hours ceaselessly factor transmission saps any delightful powertrain snap. You can dial the drive mode to sport on the off chance that you need. The most discernible change will transform the power meter check into a tachometer.